Sreemangal, one of the largest tea plantations here in the Sylhet division in Bangladesh. As you can see, everything around me is green, and these tree plants are waiting to be plucked by the workers here to deliver the tea from Bangladesh all over the world. So we're now in one of the largest tea plantations here in Bangladesh, and you can see like everything is green around me, and we're on top of a hill, and we can't wait to show you more images. This place reminds me of Sri Lanka, for example, because also there you have a lot of tea plantations. So this area is very similar to that one, but here you have like the warmth of this weather now in winter, which is totally amazing. And we're actually enjoying the sun on New Year's Eve, and this is fantastic because like it's the first time we're experiencing something like this on this very special day.
A little bit of insight, some of these tea plants are dating since the colonial era. These are called mother plants or mother tree, and they are just being plucked like this basically by the locals. This is what they harvest, and they leave this drying out, and then out of it you make some tea, some black tea, some green tea. They come out of them from the same plant.
Let me see if I get one of them. And if I make it like this between my fingers, it's gonna smell like a little bit like black tea. Maybe it's just in my brain, but it smells amazing. It smells like tea, like fresh tea, and all of this just needs to be processed and then delivered throughout the world as tea, as you drink it. Guys, I'm super happy to be here. Have you ever been to a tea plantation, and have you ever seen how your cup of tea is being made? I'm super curious to hear about that.
Around this tea plantation, basically the women are working and they are plucking the leaves, and the men, they are here for cutting out the weeds and doing some farm work and more or less maintaining the area. But the majority of the workers here are women who are actually picking the leaves of the tea tree like I showed you earlier. This whole plantation is massive actually. We're now just covering maybe just a tiny portion of it, but literally we could spend the whole day going through these small like alleys, I would say, through the tea trees, and you could spend literally easily one whole day doing this. And this is a perfect day for exploring this tea plantation because the weather is amazing and the view is absolutely spectacular.
At the end of the day, people gather here their crops and then they pull it in the car that's gonna take the tea to the factory. So this is what people are doing right now. All the ladies who are on the field the whole day, they're gathering here to put all their harvest for the day in this truck, which is gonna take it to the tea factory to make it tea, the one you really find in your day-to-day drink, like the day-to-day drink in many countries of this world. So your cup of tea might be even here. Okay, so these are all the people that are doing that, all the ladies. That's really interesting. As you see, like they put all the leaves inside here, and I think they're getting paid by the end of the day. Hello. Hi. The ladies are actually staying in a row there, and they're waiting for their time to bring the tea leaves here to the car. So it's really interesting how the transfer from the field to the factory is being made, right? If you can see it, it's blinking up there. Like there. Somewhere. See? Here. Like right here. It's blinking and waiting for us to come and rescue it.
Wait.
Oh, Mike, be careful. It's here. It's okay, it's okay. Easy, easy. Okay, so we get local help from the people. Okay, I'm nervous actually now. I think it's gonna fall that way because that's where the leaves go. I'm gonna go there. Oh my god, I'm so... Oh shit. Well, it's gonna fall here. Somewhere.
Wait. It's gonna fall farther down.
Okay. It fell on the leaves. Yeah, that's good.
That's a good thing. It's a very lucky coincidence.
Oh my.
Hey, it's alive!
It's alive! Woo!
Do you have all the propellers? Oh, it does.
It does. Oh my god, I closed it. You want to see if it runs? It still runs?
I don't know.
I think it still runs.
Sure.
My god, I was lucky. Give me your hand. Let me bring you up here. Come now. Climbing down. And we have a hard time getting out of the bushes. But well, we got super lucky. We're lucky that it's daytime and
a combination of so many good luck.
Yes.
You know, it was not stuck very badly, and then it was right on the tea plants. So many things, you know.
Wow. The skills.
Yeah, it is quite alright. It's all good.
Wow.
I just got some dirt on it.
Yeah, that's okay. Wow. Nice job, man. Thank you. Dhanyavad. Dhanyavad. Thank you so much. Mama.
Thank you.
Mama. Thank you.
Dhaka.
After the whole incident with the drone, after we crashed our drone in the tea plantation.
For the very first time.
For the very first time, it was our first experience of this kind here in Bangladesh.
Only here in Bangladesh.
Only here in Bangladesh.
Now we're going back to the car to go to the lake, because there's a lake here as well. And maybe we can check if the drone is still working so we can show you the lake properly.
Yes. So...
wish us good luck.
Keep watching.
So you have been put in charge of the dogs?
For like 2 minutes. Because this is the most amount people can trust me.
What's the dog name? Who's the fluffy dog? The fluffy dog. Dogo, 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 dogo,
Is
dogo.
that you, Michael?
Yes, this is me, Michael.
No, is that him, Michael?
It's him, Michael.
It's him, Michael.
Yay! There's a lot of people here. I think we have to go that way towards the sun. Gigi, want the coconut?
If you guys get one, I'll get one.
Okay,
Let's go get him.
I go get it.
Hey, do you guys want coconut? Yeah. So he's asking for 70 for those.
Okay.
And the other
Which one?
The bigger ones are 100, smaller ones are 70. Okay. You guys want some coconuts? No, I'm okay.
You want the coconut?
we can share one.
You want coconut?
Why don't we all have coconut?
That's what I was asking. There we go.
I think one for both is enough because I
I can have my own.
Sure. We're having coconut. I love coconut water and it's very refreshing. And even though here is winter, we feel kind of hot, so I think this is very welcome.
Okay. Cheers.
Okay, cheers, guys.
Happy New Year's and may the coconut bring you joy and love all over the place.
Yes, exactly.
Good coconut. Very good coconut. After all that exhaustion with drone up in the tree,
Yeah, it's like
this coconut is perfect.
that guy did all the work. You supported.
I did it also. I did a lot of work as well. I helped him out. I looked for him. I fell down 3 times. I did a lot of things. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, coconut cheers. There are some people staring, but that's okay because we're in a touristic spot and that's expected. Everybody's staying here, enjoying a coconut. We're enjoying a coconut with our friends on New Year's Eve. That's really, really great. This is the area around us. It's really good. Cheers, guys. Who likes coconuts?
I like coconuts.
I know you do.
Hi, with this beautiful backdrop, we arrived at the lake, and as you can see, there's a very beautiful lake. There's a lot of people around here, and you cannot see our faces because we have to turn around. But then you will not get to see the beautiful sunset, and you will get to see our squinting yellow faces.
Yes.
Yes. Nevertheless, this is Michael, this is Gigi, we are the Dodo Explorers. If you want to see more amazing stuff and things in Bangladesh, just tune in and subscribe and yeah, catch us on our adventure. Now we're trying to find our way a little bit around the lake and see if we can explore something here and then go back towards our sleeping place, because tonight is New Year and we have to party properly, right Gigi?
Like everybody else.
Like everybody else. Okay, so see you guys around. Bye bye.